Hi, this video is just to show the connection on the 17cm version of the camera. In my case, and maybe in all the cases, the serial port pins don't work. I tried connecting the adapter to the pins, but didn't work, and then I tested if the contact between the pin and those circles in the board, and they don't make contact. So I had to solder the connection from the USB adapter directly to those circles in the board. The first circle, the one closer to the USB port, it's the ground. The circle in the middle is the RX, and the third one is the TX. So the ground in the camera goes to the ground in the adapter, the RX in the middle in the camera goes to the TX in the USB adapter, and the third one, the TX from the camera, goes to the RX in the adapter. I have it already connected to the adapter, and now I will show you the boot process, which is different from the 12cm version. In the 12cm version, when you plug the camera and it starts, U-boot gives you a seconds to stop booting Linux, the camera operating system. So you can do that trick to change the boot argument, to change whatever you want in the boot process. But in the case of the 17cm version of the camera, U-boot is configured to not give you the chance to stop the boot process. By pressing Ctrl+C you cannot do that, you cannot stop the boot process, so it goes straight forward to the Linux boot process. So I will first connect with booting. Okay, I'm connected, and now I will plug the camera and see the camera output in the terminal. There somewhere says that you can press any key to stop the boot process, but it gives you 0 seconds, so you are not really able to stop the boot process. Now it is booting Linux in the camera. I already gained shell access to the camera. Here is with Linux start. When you see this message, welcome to Hi Linux, you already have shell access, so I'm already on the camera console. I can do any Linux command, pw, ps, anything. But I was not able to change how Linux works. In my case, the camera is okay. I don't have any boot problem, so I'm okay. But if you made a mistake and your Linux is not booting, the camera is not booting, I don't know how to stop the boot process in this version of the camera. I will try to figure it out and post another video if I do.